coupe beira. Now go reno. Ubejani akanyo. Ako ireba kuno. Asa uniswa. Eniji ni usi woyina. Ni anamiti ane ware. Housewama ebere me. And mama tankusi won trust. Then I ready on my fan. Yes, yes, want you. I said, Drew and Pebra. I'm a I said, Drew, she's a red swat. I am from. I'm Shiva. We aya sapon oni asomafo osi dua esi esubonten ho say dua no ni problem won say edu opebrem na esuo nwaye na enua ahodo ni nyina omo ebre bon say chese opena for na omo haban na prugusa but edua esu esubonten ho no ono no asubonten gusu supply ni zu ane ade nti zu nto ekra na oyeku opebrem si chese hwen fa no ho tambia looking fresh muza na haban ni na kama in this month of November ya remi erade nya se dua esi asubonten wate omo nyinya from the order was from the 1st of January 2021 na I said the annual ni sibina enkoye in this new month November bosumi mu erade man sachre sonkomra setrene mu oma onye se dua esi asubonten ho se de be ya bibia be koso ama from fe kama se ebremu ye din se den se situation ye tare se den so man mu ye hye se den aso hye ba se den na eche so paso se den ara kra na esa se rade aye o se dua esi asubonten hunti no wo de wo ne ufiefo erade mamu ni ye this is the message I have for you this afternoon. Say erade mamu nye se dua esi asubonten ho. That's right. Check the time now. 28 after 3. Utie Ghana's #1 radio station. Adom 106.3 FM. And now a Monday. The beginning of a fresh new week and the beginning of a fresh new month. Yes. Imwayede. The 11th month of the year is finally here with us. Yes. And baby I will be ano. So what in fact, if you are listening to me now, it means you are alive because somebody who is dead, they do it now on it. And my cousin boy Ben but so what is a meeting to me then pay a radio, it means that you are alive and you can hear me. And so if you can hear me this afternoon, they may catch one say baby I will be morning. It doesn't matter the situation and the circumstance I will find ourselves in, but be glad. Morning reason I tell you say I nyeshe krano. Afi 2021 ne bosumia etoso dubako. Not just I got just 1 month. Not the whole year no ready to wake up. You need to be grateful. Be happy. Mami, I didn't know no me no tete o. Debbie, ugete na ashintina why boss Debbie, forget it. Put a smile on your face. Sikanashians or what? Bema na disappoint you enti we say na. Debbie, oban se word no nya biem ti bema e yo se waboka. Debbie. Ana na no da nyinsen ya ase enti no e yo se we say Debbie. Bia no nipa odo wire nyina hye ne mu de wani da no so pa onipa na firimu ya obi firimu ya most of it I say why hopeless but please uguso tiase and then the 1st of November ya kan ya tiase for can be thankful, yes, be grateful to God. So why you send why you no uguso tiase what I say a man near my binamon tete and you may be a touch will be the uncle ye the way you were expecting them to go now, uncle son, men, no, and details, because say, yeah, Shania can ye pardia. Uncle Radia, ya the cassette, ya more papa. So I do a share sale from the 1st of January 2021, nor do I do the 1st of November 2021. Oh my goodness. And you'll be bien in Yanza. Share what the abeya bupon composure with chikaka. Now a share events are taking place. A braya share a few yase. And someone would do a SC. And someone at to a binum. A binum man near Biomwenya. A sign be a binum from. A banya same be a binumwenya. What the audio fatu to the next one swabra wa boy fear shasia de bedu sabri. And never be one more any pebinwa yam on one. But oh yeah, dear chance, but you are still there. Working as a free man. Our brass and beyond to. Would you say a chance bigger can I say there? Yeah, never ideas what it. Dear Tibia, your mistake is Sebakwe, your pa as Christians, a Christopher. Nasadian a higher pa. And I say, I've been and pimpy, you know. Ya di nyamin shira ya equate nyamin shira to sika ehye butom. Oh yes, so wouldn't sika kese bi da account mu ana say sika bi show bottom sika bi ma wa kwan mu you think say he has not blessed you and you say nyame on shira we but he has blessed you. The blessings that you are enjoying Obi, yeah, the oxygen is serious one son what me ahwe. Pouch from a me, Kobasa, Dimikasa, now me he. Obi or that one na, and so was Sika Dama. Otowa better now swim Mudayakas Yakas. Who say Radin ye be mount? He has done a lot for you, my dear. So be thankful to him. From the 1st of January to the 1st of November. And no yet enough for you to say, Lord, I thank you. Sometimes I can't say things say, yeah, you see, part of it. I thought out to me say, she mobi biaso. What is that? Be ready a challenge. But you are still better off than somebody. And your Fedian Titanian Minia Bobonia dream baby. Susu dream. To be good, not the radiasi. And you see, there's one secret. Let me show you that secret this afternoon. The more you appreciate the little things that God keeps doing for you, it paves way for greater things to come your way. Take note of it. Yes. The nyame now when ni so na wo fu mu nyina na wo da so ase da bia o awurade me da wase so ewe obi wa kra chesa me ka say wi lunch bia wadi fufuo bia wadi ampesie bia wadi gobe bi pa wa tra ho awi anya sem ketwa o tra se adidi nkra no awurade me da ase so de aduane a che me kra wantimi anka bi wantimi po amwo so mpa ya na awurade ase yet what just say eyen se awurade nye bi ma no obi wo sika obetimi de aduane ne nam akese wo wiase nyina but make say obie na no didi mpo nyeye ye de ate spoon asa koko kakra omie na no na wanyingum na nkommene na duro na wonom no mpo ntimi nya dwuma eno kra ye den what trust ye di kokonte heavy awia yi awurade me da simpo wanka bi yet wo se awurade nya bi ma we eto da nya nyoma akese bebreo eyen kitten say ye we take them for granted, but those are the things that makes life. Oh yes, because we use Sunday money now to free money. And if I say radiation will power, what to private jet? What the upper crowd to ship across account? Musica wait ready. Now, so what that one Adrian went to me be your first spoon say out there, and yes, a tablespoon, teaspoon. Get the sakoko and mamba who put the mark, need the empire diamawa. What is the use of a private jet or ship now? I don't know. The little things. Am I talking to somebody this afternoon? I am in Gobio. On Croncron Banner, the NC now, your corners are. Is seen now for to be more. What about Cawadrin? There we go. Now, for young trust, young Queen. A 106.3 Adom FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Of course, this is your own show, OfieKwanso, with me, Jerry Justice. Then fast that is my team, the Papa Bills wa, African wa, James Star Jiku wa, Ella wa, Hettin so wa. You know, call all the way till 6. And that's going to be checkout time. Now, if you the news at Twaso. And I see lots of messages coming in. I'll say forever grateful. Glad it's all say Anton. I'll say good afternoon, Jerry. Thank God for a new month. And may God take us through safely. Stay blessed. I feel trust me, Lizzie, Anna. I'll say, God, I thank you for your love, mercy, and grace. Vicentia, pretty. I'll say, preach on, brother. Mary Mediasi. Yeah, the videos of our time about to us. Why? Mary Ameya. I'll say, Lord, I thank you for my life and that of my family as well. Na she KB answer na dey o se enkwase ade nyina chi me da so te ase a me se erade me da wase because that same enkwase ade na o kan obi e bia ma no ho achi do. Oh my goodness. Upon Kofi, I say God bless you for your motivational message. You fast that me erade. Aviti Cinema say, Jerry, good afternoon. I thank God for his mercies upon my life. And then is it Minister Eddie? I'll say with a grateful heart, I want to say thank you for how far you have brought me and that of my family. Okay. Mofa me business why? Mofa me business file no man why now. Hana is getting now. Yes. Good. Then better now, so me just business now too. Hey, every wait here number if you pay as someone ba. It's ensemble no, you ba share and the videos of our time. But before you did videos of our time, be brave no. Me patrol live strong with iron and there be a bone the rich the one. Asemi yantina daya na ya no demu ayeka no. Ni nyina ne say tiawa. Ye free bibi iron deficiency anemia. Very stubborn. Ade bia ne ho asem kan ye din bia sa. Next one hwe yi ebetimi ase wa brabo. Ehwemu abeda di say 4 out of 10. Emma omodu childbearing age. And I face 6 out of 10 children almost were below 5 years. Enyasa iron deficiency anemia ya make one say maybe. Now your child my friend the hydrogen pa is say a bar a bit me affect on physical and brain development for life. It won't be here says it me to us here. The choir first word to us no so here quite be a yet chin bia and also be dear aduane iron ewomu. It contumely a bedroom, liver, red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko, a fair leaf food, groundnut, beans, cowpeas, and a fair green leafy vegetables. No, as I bring ye dibi. Now, for what did you na kaiso bedi fruits are rich in vitamin C, a good banana soup, and no boama or body no to me. Absorb iron nutrients na wadu na odi ni mu yi pa why ye ni sen kakra na yentimi into iron deficiency anemia say fi aseten live strong with iron now fair we yen kanfo puma drinks Brana so say timi pim konkan ne koye nim. Yes. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, but most of all, be joyful. Just give yourself a treat with Puma drinks. It's a whole new vibe. Say orange and now say cola, a cool year. Yeah, make sure say well chilled. Once in 50% respect. Now crazy. They are available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door partner Fred Casa Preco Company Limited on 0262 351 251. And then MTN. Your friend Ayoba, where app for credit, their bad name. Emma, yet me stay connected. Never be any communication. I call ye, come, ya socialize, come, pa. Ayoba, a all-in-one app that lets you chat, call, share, play, pay, and then listen to music. All on one app for everyone. Oh, yes. You can send money through MTN Momo. Ayoba app no SO. Yes, while you chat with your favorite vendors, family, friends, and also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You play games, you listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. It's about your download the Ayoba app necessary from the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device I use. Yes, let me enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. I say Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now and download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Obeto from Waguka and one. I got to go higher grade fuels and on papa. Yes, tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. They are most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. What is our superior qualities in now, Tonchea? Going higher grade fuels, no? Yakov Feder F45 with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, and on a more efficient, eco-friendly, na turn at no extra cost. Going higher grade fuels here on the Super XP Ron 95 and a diesel XP. Yet on every Goil fuel station BMO across the country, not just selected Goil fuel stations. So go on, fill up with Goil high grade fuels. Ajibebia, Goil, good energy, Goil. Yeah, Me pacho baby, I will be our access to Facebook. Joining me, Cecilia on Facebook. Now, share videos of our time. Ghana for a bit more bomb home ding, Sabay and Yam, a bit me about on my Ghana, a din hono. Nebidum so come when you say, Nebi San Ghana. Oh, told that man for to me, and you might be grown to Ghana, do have no business where again, and you cry now for us. Crofobia, Padim Gracia Pa. Oh, no. When I watched the video, I was like, no, what is this? What is this? Pacho, join me on Facebook, says here, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. That is, so access to Facebook. Browse is here. Now, you have videos of our time, man. Share so. But don't forget, say, obey insure. Would you make DBA with the Phoenix Insurance? Reason say, yeah, and they ride your body there, and say, you rise again when disaster strikes. Yeah, you try claims in Tempana. Yeah, policies and also Dawson, fire, motor, accident, marine insurance, engineering, bonds, Nina, you want to pa. And they cry the Amabi for put me to insurance policy. Our brow 2 fee our account now to so. One name here short code is so star 389 star 79 star. Now follow prompt no. You better connect to one time. A departure phrase 0302 246 319. I face 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. I know and want some and no. I feel blamwe na share and videos of our time by kind courtesy Aquatabs water purification tablets or madama and yede videos of our time bro. Now Aquatab ya can want me very simple. we a self-dissolving a year chese tablet a woja to nsuo mu a na no aho agum etimu am wo fie am use storage tanks ne ade na me se ukọ hotels ne restaurants akese even hospitals ne ade nyina almost storage tanks na woni nyina de eboa mo nsuo no eye kama no eye aquatap water purification tablet when ja tum sa microorganisms bia nsuo no bia no ebeku mu nyina na mo nsuo na ekrogen what me avoid waterborne diseases it also pebi fakofie bibia ni a wo de atonsuo mu kama etimi ate nsuo mu akumu mu anyina na wo ne abusua no mo consume se nsuo na mo anya yare bia enfree mu eno ache ne wo aquatas food safe ewo ho wako kroma koto fruits and vegetables dia bafie no emfa ordinary water and wash ho na nhya ase eni esan se ensuo kura ye de water sar fruits and vegetables ya omuduadua no kwankyen sei ya na enye nsuo kuro jin sa o minua ene ada chemicals on the gugu ne ade a ukoto bafie na the ordinary water wash ho keke sa unwe yusu aquata food safe for wash mu nyina it will kill every bacteria, every germ, beer, fruits and vegetables, no nyina. Said by a consumer or how be a merchant. Chemical shops are who do any name or my fan baby, supermarkets are who do be so or any pharmacies or the aqua so per aquatat. On Sabe can be almost a binu on cry patch of 020 9077 726. Oh, Kumasan Artem and Kanswa. Phrase 050 1694275. Now walk of Radio and Potamonswa phrase 0244 593 381. Yabejo so na yabwa na onso dodo bia uhia no on say timiaka na akoyi dia ma me pacho catch obi say on share videos of our time and a video na dey bro no eya ni wo pa na in fact sa o hobby say sa na uhwe na ada nationals so munade na fi ze Ghana for na mugum wani mazi a enye fe hwe sometimes ade bi ho no mo a you can simply let it go ubetwa so keke hwe enye da bia na esese u prove to people that you are right enye da bia so na esese o ya argument and then expect that you win that argument. Sometimes you have to argue in the first place. You just have to let it go, keke. It will not change your name. It will not take your beauty or your handsomeness away from you. It will not take your wisdom away from you. The on the say on and when ding the also on no nyansa. Let that person man fa nonko. Driver ni bi ye yawa. E wo junction bi. No no momu na wa ye yawa no. Sa Ashaman drivers ni minim say aya na omo pentema akohiu omo fi committee 1 Stadium Road na ombedu eye sa ehon ponye tijanse eye crossroad sa ebi sa ko straight edi ko rua 4 na ebi akọ to 4 junction ebi akọ to 5 traffic no sa Kingdom Books for no ehon no Ashaman total drivers no omo du ha ono lane na oba no or right side na obe maintain your na odu junction so na ka bia maya wa turn to the left I headed towards 5 traffic no ubon say omo pentem teacher say just a minute or two pen obegina ho no they don't like it that way it no mo aswevo de aba to the left no mo de ba be face wa o na mo right way na oban adan a say o book ever call the left intino but no you have to maintain you have to remain in your lane. And so campaign no mumu did do atem. Omo no my best drivers will reaction obi anti. Meanwhile they are rather doing the wrong thing. No ba ko mi do no e o de be pim me ani. I'm say massa what kind of driving is this? Oh no o di matter of you just so catch them say majimi nam so me dana say. On fa ni nyansa na ofa nko. That's all I said to him. Oh me patcho na onim reaction nyansa na fa ne ko why. Ehun nya so ko argue with the person, especially when you know say akwai the oyi enam kwam. No matter what you say just let it go. Asemi bi na si on board a plane. Sadie we etasi pa mo amodi plane tu kwan de normal common esi. Sometimes sa overhead compartment one na ye bags ehihye ho no. Or carry on bag no. said the plane ya no obi ani ni seat number enti mo a moto ono A B 17A B C ana 17 J H enti mo a mo sa lane no so no mo na so no sa compartment mo de mo luggage mo de mo niam na be hye ho. But sometimes you all agree say based on any pa afu plane no ade no obi won mo kra ne carry on bags e bia be nkito be tu anade omutimi de share so ade bia bia out no obedu kra na ehwa ma enti baby on space you kra you can put yours there. So what I say now we na obi de ne bag akwa share so couple ba ko say bia ade no de akoso no ni sit ne won nti ade no akwa ne bag abesho to obi ni bag fi on masa adani blows e wo plane no me tell me once me to that why you pupo nkrofo papa e dey ni ngwase asem so say ni eje ko for video ni to so e akontoko play mu e dey na moje e ni ngwase say e ka say hey ani na Ghana for there enye fair ade bi wa twa so keke yentimi nka say o bag na ankwahye ba bi esese hye no plane ye ma on front to aso bi mu na yesiu form it will never happen. Come what may you fly and go with your luggage as well. Look at that. She plane mo omo di diom watam you so abusive language ade ni eje hwe macho man use enfa no so by force akwa ne fa ne bag ne share ho no so all the right no bisa akwa no what right do you have say hey masa gidi o a t-shirt the shirt t-shirt black na ne bling egu ni kom ni change dan kom za no ojiga no pushy man na o share colors no gina and a man say how from the beginning as a man person agent was no I don't want to fight but no I insist there I will put my bag there me kontokwa me it you feel akwa no say na nia broad bag me so na so push no to push no so ne kon ya hwe no mo de abom hwe plane mu hwe amomo akon akoda ada passengers so hwe omo bo blows one ma twede pa e dey asem ni penafo now for play to go and kakra di hwe to kwa chenchenche omo kunu so shameful. Why? Amahwe it got to a point say flight attendant oba na man no be kasa obroni no on yon be kasa to separate them say aden what is the problem munya kasa. Oh no. And po chapa mu twa mo pa ni chese atem didie na on top. Kasa chese we no omu nia black man ne patom ko mo ampno. You took obroni no. Oh yeah. Obroni na ba ho ania ma be kasa. Ani mu gase say ani hwen. Oh no. It is bad. Mommy enhwe ne ma bi ena me di kan abufo de ebi wo bia mu obi abetimi bu afu. But you see sometimes ade bi wa ba wo de just ye din keke hwe ade we there's no way obeka say o bag no baby e hye no ya ma hye hoti no plane no o nan flying ko o ye den ya obeko wonya tren wajo boarding pass wi ya inspector wi wa full plane nko ade masa o luggage kese na nkasa mu no ye de akwhye plane mu dada now two person or chest or carry on bag ina say enya ba bi nche o plane mu ti on kwa na with this inti ese mo kontokwa nkrofo papa ese mo kontokwa pupo on board the plane. Why? And I'm going to say, Charlie, Adrian, need to be very careful. I was your mamma from this idea to when and also yame pa. Ayana and Pempi at Obeti school phone collabi almost classroom na Dana Jugu so if you also I saw classroom no musia de ono. Ensuo to na bom gugurum na nkola ni some books no mo kofie because structure ne nye. Oh, ensuo to a eliki egu classroom woni ade a hadwen. Na ensese nkola no efa sa tete semu all because they want to go to school. They say it in the multimedia group yakofa the classroom project diaba. Na sa classroom project we dey yen say ye nyina ye keka yen sase ne agege kakra. Na emia ye te sa school phone call no te classroom okra na you know my life no cry is in danger no yet me yomo officer situation mu na omo timi anya classroom papa tenesu ade concentrate ye na aboom eno nti ye say #give for change na ni nyina ne say ye yen kakra yakeka yen sase na yetimi ene anopa yi man ya oni din mi refi oba work and happiness so omo yes spiritual man there oba na say holy table something man mi refi papa ni din your friend say brother Peter anopa yi meni ni hia e wani mu ya and us oh yeah mahu campaign na wo ye no sa classroom project ade na mo ye no mehu ne pa na mani aso pa na sa de na ya ne dama koma so ntino mene holy table for no ye keka yen sa bom na yatimi aba bibi ne enso de support na so nyame hira mo na munwuma amoye enkoso abusua se wonso eka wakoma so obeyi bibi dia ma hwe momo number we troto 059 303 8832 that's 059 303 8832 edin na wosa momo number no so na Joy FM obetimi asende kakra de atumu amaye ketua bi enso ye keka yen sase na de si classrooms papa de amamo frɛ what those areas no na almost wetimi anya ba bi e comfortable sua de ama komutimi ye da che oman na omde beboa no what I say #give for change opeso do de na fa bank account we na say utua to banka fa banka pacho access bank account number no is 00901010 54191 00901010 54191 Castle Road branch pacho branch code no 009 and Swift code so says abruchil fu ni ade person mo ye ya pacho Swift code no ABNGGHAC ABNGGHAC na wapeka krade atum edi amaye for any other inquiries bia no pacho I mean don't hesitate say obe friend na ye din komo ye be assist 0302 216 540 0302 216 540 that's 0302 216 540 the classroom project promoting social justice through philanthropy. And wasem, I don't know. Also, Adom 106.3 FM. And Chebia, you better ask somewhere the 2 and 4. I would make it so. One in Kosondaya. Welcome to November. Young Comfort Care Kids toothpaste amount. And from penny for toothpaste no entry and colane say Miss Robbery Nissan de and yet that 2 boys and colande and come out yet the strawberry are one of it. I'm why the dead would trim colane some more as a moody toffee. It's an opaque cry. I know more about bear mind those say so you almost some more money at the idea. Come apart. Eti bomodia na ema onsa encounter there efa twitwi mo fra ne semon fefe kama pa right it protects your gum and prevents cavity the mom was very strong and healthy with freshness all day eti mo fra from 2 to 6 for no yeah from mo ntwi mo say why FDA mu hwe mu agya tum so how be anyone if it's Samara Company Limited. Kel Kids was a happy smile. Now fast day dio enso Emma a floral disposable handkerchiefs. Papa ya to ebo asian run kama. Unya bi say na. Yi ba ko de papa ya na papa kama. If you feel a better one, other people, or runs another people, we ain't sing other people, or bow another people, you be a big goon other people. We are not disposing of Titambiano, we are clean, we are neat, come up. You don't carry gems around others all over the place. You know what I'm saying? And also look out for floral toilet rolls. I feel floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, floral table napkins, and I feel floral box tissues. Say, yeah, packaging beautifully. Come on, new packaging as floral joy, floral smile, and then floral giant. They are available in a shop near you. A bonus of the Dafon Boko. The one of Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited. 0243 033 033. Now you're soto. Come on, pa. If I went to now for your bar, you're my ras and one. Edit to your own phone. And area. OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Your friend just done. On friend new way medawase. Thank you. Entiarade. Many Ghana phone in a way. Yeah, dawase. So the era a November bosumi mu. Thank you. Just done. Nice one there. Isaac Dankwa Shaman Zeni was good afternoon, Jerry. I want to thank God for the gift of life. Amen. And greetings going out to my dad, Mr. Daniel Dankwa, and Diana Dankwa. Also to Prophet Man Godi. We say thank you. Great you have to say happy birthday and call Emma Minister George Efo Badagbo, aka Rabbi of Banner of Grace Ministries. Afe yanya no boko na yenti asemo awie yedi tu ye hofo. Da da di di. Da 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 di do 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 da 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 stu do 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 do. Okay, and then asem wa ye de etu yon fo dwumadi so no. Asem bia na nsen hadwen pa saa de no. Ayana ayese nkrofo top pressure man nkrofo. Na ma ebinum eye niam ensese omo ye. Na ama ebinum so abamu abu. Omo dwen se omo de obra no. Omo amobi, ombeja nkrofo. Masa yiwani. Empanifo ene ka omo asem. Yesi uti pupu obi di. Ebi a na eko obi nkwan enso wa na adwe se nyaba aponchina bi ni ade ansoma za oboa obekwohwe na ko obi ba akope bi na demu enso na onyi huru ho a edi twa no a udi nkrofo achi a obey mistake ne senti ebi no won mo kra ade bi wo kra ese nkokoya on peso beye the other day man mi refinidin our social media, I tied some to or your short videos, they advise youth in the power. Also, these days, a lot of the young ones coming up, a juma baby on one, they don't want to do it. Especially on school, awaiting their results. Now, one who say base and a base, you know. Opportunity be to me a bank, or bet me a quiet juma be kakra, abwa kra, natchez and canon when ya capre be the at all. But they feel shy to do those things because their colleagues are living flashy lives near there, you know. Or no one will say, now you're screaming, and there be a general better if you can not so. Uncle Timiko S. Adena, Kebetimia Bobo and Kakra. One, the sort of experience that you gain from doing that in Betimia Boama in the future, and when you cry, you know how to go about it very well. And as you can cry, they be more support in the crown, and also Betimia Boa in a way. But most of them, they feel shy in doing that. But any no more the some will live flashy life now because of that. One person of is animal. That's how for they are doing something that you are not aware of. Tipa 20 or say don't be embarrassed of your situation. Half of these people are covering up the same situations with filters and smiles. Yes. Who situation now the only say where there it's an embarrassment should someone sees it, no. I know tino. Ama wa kwele up on person obey she no. Omo na wo ferry omo no. Dodo na so no. Sa situation mu an omo. But omo akoba those situations na up. And they Emma address as I omo makeup. Say crowd the all digital makeups or no picture now on your makeup be on the so picture no channel or filters will be to me I be trying to correct one partner there or their covers so you don't see those things. And then they will come with all smiles on their faces, put a picture be there, put something down there. You when you see that, hey, Charlie, these people, Charlie, they be give them what, Charlie. But majority of them, you don't know what they go through Masa, keep your hustle real good and do your own. Forget to omo. The omo yen momo yomo ade. Sometimes obi wonum kra sa de no de abetro kra eye borrowed. Now so ani abre na wudi akire sa na okwa akoye de yenye. Eye na ge we de na say the way they enti because of that no. Yes nka be transport na no na nka jijiji kakra na ya oh feel say ho de okotre ye nim gu ase enti you don't want to do that. Abusuya enhwe obi asa so mfa nsa wasa. Men kasa wasen we hu enche o situation na wo mu no sumusa bompa yesre rade se baby a pese oduru no rade mo na eduru ho na so ni nyina mu no wontena fa confirm san hye o damiri fam na waduru ho wo beye bibi esese wutu so anamon enti se wutu so anamon na wo so fere because of onyonku bi said the omo yomo ade enti no wo de ne wo fere na wo ka hyede a ene abusua wo be de duru wo botai no. Don't be embarrassed of your situation. Half of these people are covering up the same situations with filters and smiles. Obi na hunu na wo de hunu za akoyie de amano no e bi onipa kono ya obi a wo di situation o wo mu no said the more den de mano no but osori no why nanim kama de serie aba etie bia hunu follow no hunu on social media and you say Charlie this guy they go on well for am but you don't know what he went through at night and sana no pan or this man na beto one. You don't know that person is also doing the same thing or no that same situation. Maybe you're not crying the other very terrible than yours. But after doing it, and you don't want to do that because you think, say, that person will keep the hustle on real. It now, by the time you realize they'll be here and you'll still be down there. A word to the wise. Yes, Ronnie. Oh, Midwest. I'm sure. So tie ba men tie ni keke ye fanya adwuma ebe aboy na ye fast down my proud sponsors Bright Garlic Capsules Efie Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic na adwuma ye na etiawa improve blood circulation e boost appetite mo timi di ye pa enya aduane a wodie no so mfaso e ma immune system no ye den e control cholesterol and afa blood pressure and sugar levels nina at the normal kama omukura ne sama bright soldier capsules and no enhance libido what I say sexual weakness no e free ho waist pains nina it takes care of it na low sperm count no so no apejam aba ama se say no bibia timi akoye next time we abekọ check no only low sperm count be ani asem opebia pharmacies ne herbal shops pi na mo bi ho dodo pa no King's Walk Herbal and Afi Hallows Herbal Nina wo Okaishi and I call a Tribe of Judah or Caswan so be ho Afi Tenata Herbal shops in them across the country Binyabi and Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic one cause I'll quad do be in Yabia on Sabeka. Obet me so afraid 0243 983 906 and Afi 026 165 1898. As they do from MTN, NA, or the MTN, Ayoba, Abba. Nina said, near the social app for Crown Abbey Boom. We are all in one app. And more the opportunity to chat, call, share, play, pay, and then listen to music. One app also for everyone. Yes, you heard right. Nina said, Utimi sende Sika through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family, and friends. And also, get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You play games, you listen to music, and you do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. I friend Ayoba, MTN Akofade Banti Pacho. Call Google Play Store and our App Store. Net download the Ayoba app. No Pacho AYOBA. Now I download it. Now Bibian's with me Akoye Ediama. Kaishan say Ayoba are available to all networks. But MTN users enjoy at no data cost. What they say. So hurry now, Download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Finally, as they do, I am farmer, Door Master, and Pobiman Paint Depot. Epacho NNA Woba na you enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. And doors ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, and our wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, flash doors to glass doors to bathroom doors. Nina, they are available. Yeah, so bet me a beje wood ye. Prices also that from pa. Oba paint a from one so. You partner with News Paint, and they are cover paint now, pay later. Ediaba. Echechemuni etiawa. Nina say, yeah, mount paint be a win here be a. Now they are paint what they are holding. Say yes, schools, churches, offices, hospitals, government institutions, real estate developers, individuals. Mo meji paint bia mu hia. Mo fanko paint mo adan ahodo ni nyina. Yen spread this kan mam. Na mo tuatua ne kakra wa bra. Yen fa interest bia ento so emamu. Patron, someone hwe ye chia kwan a. Ye wo Pobima on the Accra Kumasi Highway. What you say? Udu Pobima to booth wa. E ho ne wo. In fact, say ugina to booth mu a wani etua yen shop no. Na waba. Na yetimi aye business. Come on. Yes, our phrase 0542 745 222 and our phrase 050 021 2447. Now on the Door Master and Pobiman Paint Depot. Actually, come on. There's this song from the music man himself, Mr. Julius Kojo Entry. Yes, the maestro. And it carries a lot of good stuff. Utie content of the song, the lyrics. I want us to share that song this afternoon. Title no, spread his love. Spread his love. This afternoon, that's what I want you to do. Let's hit play right now.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Right before my eyes, I see airplanes slam into buildings. I see smart bombs rain down on wretched people. What's all this hate and fighting? If I look at the world today, it fills me with sorrow and pain. But in Jesus Christ, I see the light for a brand new day. Spread His love, share His love. Everybody everywhere needs His love. All over the world, all over the world, all over the world. Everybody everywhere needs His love. His holy name is above all. To Him every knee shall bow, 'cause He's the power. Hallelujah, Jesus, He is the only answer. He holds the key to peace and fullness of joy. Spread His love, share His love. Everybody everywhere needs His love. All over the world, all over the world, all over the world. Everybody everywhere needs His love. Spread His love, like this, just like unto Jesus, the Prince of Peace. Everybody everywhere needs His love. Everybody everywhere, all over Jesus, we will perish and fall. Everybody everywhere, everybody everywhere.
Let you preach on. That's right.
Yes,
Good afternoon, going out to Patience Che or Hamburg, Germany. A patch or don't for some in country, so I feel brutal. I only saw no more. Brand new. And special greetings going out to Mr. Andrunic. Bossu, Bibia Boko there. Happy New Month to you as well. And special greetings also going out to you, Ajua Chimota. Ajua Bibia Bear Fine. Nyametiasa. Okay. It's been long since I did this. Oh, Zewawa. Akwaba. My filter is one more change. I said, yes, Chicago.
Oh, Roger, you miss my fuel.
Oh, there be some information you found. Oh, Bizano. Oh, Bizano, couple. Yeah, TV Crana. Me found one dream. He said, oh, they higher crown. And I didn't know. So there is a man. Genie Foods. Oh,
I'm a team and can't check.
Oh,
nah, you go record, mum. By kind cousin.
Yeah.
Genie Food.
Yeah.
Omadaroma. Omo Genie sunflower cooking oil.
Yeah.
Genie rice, Genie mayonnaise, Genie milk, Genie sardine.
Yeah.
Food product I would do yeah. To Kotonwa. Frenambe. 0540 108 531. 0540 108 531. Genie Food. Okay, almost say Emma if you nankasa me.
Now, some about trust work when you know. Mommy Jesu said, Jay, please wish the first fruit of my womb. Very necessary part. A happy, blessed, we did 35 today. Hey, and 35 today. Ah, well, what does that mean? Or say, she's mommy.
Brother, it's been long. I feel to be TAN.
Yeah.
So, say a man akwaba.
Good.
Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Welcome to Africa. Brother, where motivational speakers have started committing suicide because of depression. Your motivational speakers now motivate you. Started committing suicide. It's a depression.
And then I can say,
you are welcome. Which one is hard to find in Africa? I'm asking a simple question. Which one is hard to find? True love. Any original charger. Which one is hard to find? Gradually answer me, please. Which one is no because I can't think far.
True love.
Any original charger. Which one is very
put me the charger be show phone now. Charge negative. Phone battery percentage end up 23. I feel baba in 3 minutes or maybe 10 minutes down baba. Atisu means that.
Okay, what I didn't say was the enjoyment here. What am I winning on Facebook when I had it? You will never know the value of your bottle.
Okay, Asante someone say original charger. Code Delvin Jeffy also true love. If you could do Adom say original charger.
Okay.
And Nana ya classic say true love. Patrick Cobbins to the about to say true love.
You don't must.
Some can say informative for.
You will never know it's true.
Yeah.
Yes. One sign of a business failure. And it's a wakwachi pussy. Can you imagine? So wakwa with girlfriend. Oh, you want to enter such a family and marry? Oh, South Korea in November. This November.
Out of COVID.
But you never chop your school fees. Should they can out of carpet? Easy phobia. I will be a businessman. And they are almost the catastrophe project. And they just say, Juma, you know, Abruchi in America, and you're quite passion.
Yeah, true. I saying.
Yeah, true. I say.
Yes,
Samu. You chose as answer. Oh, okay, that's fine. It's about
it means that say yes, Anshinwa.
From that particular way now. Okay.
And I say by an because sanctions we bet me as sanction. Ama you continue to
the way of
to the sanction.
Africa Centers.
They are national is better.
Assistant. Prevention. Omri Ababe to just say Africa. SSS 70% need to be vaccinated.
Okay.
The whole Africa 70%. Yes, sir.
All right.
Now, before I make let me tell you something.
Tell me, man.
Never, never tell an African girl, especially a Ghanaian girl, say your father is rich, or she will date the two of you.
Sir,
or she will date the two of you. Never.
Oh my God, never.
Never. We are Bema men can be da. And can't a Ghanaian lady say your dad is rich. She will date the two of you. This one I need your maximum cooperation.
Okay. Let me cooperate.
A man only licks a plate when he knows he's eating alone. Minch him.
Fasiwa.
Minchiremu.
Enkobium.
Mami enkobium.
Enkobium.
Sheso bi kansa wante.
And have you want to go for but
say no dey bro funti mami free.
No creature.
What you say? Oh yes. Oh you there, you are a living legend.
No creature.
A man, Rajeri. A man only licks a plate when he knows he's eating.
In fact, when he's very, very much aware.
Where? So he's eating alone from that plate. I can't explain. Midi and the same score. Watch him on that. If you could be catching. Not just a walker.
No way, Javi.
But what you say?
Yes, I understand. You understand 100%.
Thank you. French never got you as a Javel.
Capel.
Not just a graduate. What did you just a day? Yeah, bet you.
Oh, Benabo.
Background, ready.
Oh, my goodness. That was around the world in 5 minutes with says court. Yeah. Yeah. Mom was sending a message. My feel brutal. I hope say BBI you cool. Yamen kan ya busiani now. And a happy birthday, though belated, going out to Doris Akuno of Zenith Bank. You are a husband, Evans Akuno, and your children. Abe also of administration. Why for me, I just did. Coming up, AI Irrigator Sports. In the meantime, we also congrats and come Mrs. Eunice Bua Asamoah Hine, Chief Executive Officer of La Bianca Company Limited, and staff of La Bianca Company Limited for being a judge as the best importer of frozen food. That's a frozen meat and frozen products for the year 2020 by the Ghana Shippers Awards for the year 2020. So continue to soar higher for your good works. From List to Okojo Fojo. Fabe also. Oh yeah, that also. Also, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish the Bishop of Tema Diocese of the Methodist Church, Ghana, Right Reverend Samuel Ofuri Achia, a happy birthday. May the good Lord fortify and grant him good health and long life. This is from Ben Debbie of Ben Deck Multimedia, Tema Community 9. We also say a happy birthday going out to Abubakar, known sweet of Sweet Home Kitchen, opposite the Days Plaza on the Spintex Road from Kwesi Rollins Kilo. Rebecca Senfia from Tema Lashibi. Happy birthday going out to you. Wishing you all the best as you celebrate your birthday today from Stephen Fusu Esiama. I'll say a happy birthday do belated and call my lovely girlfriend Beatrice of Elmina. And I feel so we Effie Manuel. And we also say happy birthday Uncle Emma, Mr. Felix Amwesi. With Samuel Inkumenche. Send the message. You are 10 how can we not bonus in Akura? I wish I get us for twice this year.
Honey, it's office won't corner when him aqua taps full safe and I tell me about would dinner the piano. Aqua tap full safe. And I'm a door home. I send with you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omode Ebulu Munsio, Efomunsio, Surunsu, any Sia, and one tea at the Yawanda Dedum, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko, they use with my pomodin so in Yepa. And Nontinamato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yet me the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel Aquataps Abama Mose, and Beijing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. That was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Yes, now time on so for irrigated sports into Pennyfor Bekasa.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. A papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Enti openi bomodiana owie ni sei edemaya. Na yama nyamini patro aso amaye. Sofo Kum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There is no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
That's all. Over.
The open program one denisham fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mo. Kwame Akwaba. What is saying?
I got him for new idea near Tianum.
Ebeye. Aja Akwaba.
Yadro.
Sir and Pumuye.
Oh, Yamiadum Naya.
We know, but I'm fine.
Fine.
Oh, yeah, fine.
A justice in Canchero. Say,
Bibi, how person rich Rana?
On New Jersey, I think is a governor. Almost governor Nabato. Na might be your friend Morphy, or Bobby before no pines. Young Kaya get a gun of unity.
1%. 1% Morphy, no,
campaign, I would say.
It's not as a 1% Morphy. Oh, everything is possible. That's what I can.
Yes.
Everything is possible. What I say.
Within the fair Morphy. What's your normal trouble?
Any Morphy baby, more crack time with you to Abano.
A year New Jersey, no more.
Morphy, yeah.
You're Japan 20 Kobio.
Now, Mamma, Aquabana, more say.
Or any documents you say, videos in
radio. And then Aquaba.
Yeah, ni akwaku.
And put mutu say.
Oh, nyanko padom. Bibi ada na kwem. Ebi kama. Oh, sedi ye.
E de nyame ase. O ma me film sa na. Ni na deba. Sejo. Deba.
Bronya bedo. Unse nya hu di bronya pa che o.
Esa say de.
Na and then 3 days na obi send pictures be from Amsterdam. E de bre me na me hwe se de ekuro no nyina. O se flower o bronya flower.
Oh, na say ye ha na ye yes I don't know. Oh, masa.
Omu hia na kwan.
Dubai kra e ho kra mo ye. Urade. When she shed na kanya ipa ne ade ne oh.
Kwaku street light kra dey sisi kwan so kra ko to street.
Unim say ye di bronya wie kra no. E kom ko na nkentwam. Last it was not last year. The last time I'm going Europe which year was that? Was it? Oh, terms of 2020.
Actually, 2020 won't mean.
2019. 2019. Would him say at the time now? Me beba.
Because the Bible mean ben fie ben si.
Mama mo come approach you.
Anu ha. Approach you. Anu mo ka di boy anu ha. Obisam kro na.
Would him say
chicken.
Around end of February mu obabi no. Enyina no. Baby to say
kwakuko ye no kofa yare ne ba ye no.
Me ba 2020. Me ba Ghana 2020.
2019 yare no.
2019.
2019 yes, 2019. That is why I said COVID-19.
End of 2019 but 2020 March 2020 na me ba Ghana me ka me ba Ghana March o jawa sem me do Ghana March 2020
no be ye adwuma kakra na penfo adwen ho no msi da bi be abo ho adwana o be for fidiama so for usan some betete ko
Uka broche no my passport go go still have French baby.
Unkosi asu dia ma.
Me senka me enko Germany kra.
Won fa fa Congo ba komra. Wona won fa Congo ba komra.
Kwame
Go mo chan we.
me
So wo se why you say Dubai kra wo se tinchira.
I just America.
America so ntu kwan ya ba ni.
I used to be Amsterdam so America.
Is Holland?
Any singing, o just singing anu anu.
Go kuma ene sa so.
enya 40
Na o passport no no yi said the otua title.
o da bi we ndem de mo no a ai enti fa she wa ina ayana
ebe di ho weekend
ayana
ayana wani so ayakra
dabi sika na nkasa no tie enkra wo ho se eye no se wo se mai de ono ne de no yi ona na wo de yi wo ze ya na me roma o na mai yo tie yi ono se me ro ni de ma no enti ai papa me so say na mi ke enti mu na mu de no ko wie no pe na ko ba ye ko ne ba no o kwaku kwa me de nde hwe so ansa na we can need come na Monday because on there we can do that also kwa me there we the Monday Friday we can no
o de be di fufu le ta as I do video di fufu
but you can am so pani man is out there me twin so na Monday as am there man
me feel kan de ba be do bia no
Opani aya de nyame be shi opani pa
nyame shi opani no
be obi a oti bia nyame shi no
dollar no dey akoso Bible dem dey some passport opani
abuches kan kasana
unya ni de
opani na de tina Ghana ska no eso so sa weekend you be mama
100 cities no
what is my wallet
na set dollar de onim say etia
amu twa nketo
ene te say Dubai de so tia sa
ene dollar nyina kase epe
na 100 cities no eso
say sika no so
sa so na abuches kan no te say bigger note no so
kwaku $100 ni
say so €100 eso chain
100 cities aden
titi
sabe pa na go chain ya
one city ni we so kase epe
€200 so an kase say ya na ti oh yes
dollar no so
ebi ayi ni kwaso €500 who say €500 ebom ho €500 ebom
ba me ya ka cho say euro ni de so dollar na susu euro de so nti nya botre na city no o go do
I bro chesa ba ya to bo
ah bro chesa dey asem crazy dabi enti no kasa
see our classmate na for some no me ni ngwa bro chesa ba bro chesa the countries abubu bro chesa ntimi nya wodi
because we ka for ahun
ai governor na yi no on ya sani aba
ma ho so bi kra de ato ha obi si mafia na ekro ma ho so de ato ha
anya mafia o
mafi
na so dey why no ye na yi no come mafi ngwa de mafi
ayi akosu adwoa
mafi ngwa why no de mafi ngwa no na mafi
ma ho so obi de ha Kofi Kelly fume o si mafia na ekro
governor no dey what is ana dan mafia
New Jersey. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
New Jersey.
We say no kra nyame bo no.
Ghana okay Ghana for.
E be won de ne na kasa se be ye kwakoron irrigated New Jersey.
Because you better say your campaign man. Why am I record on tour?
Any kwame agi say o kan brofo ayi ewe. Ni twama broni no wa. Yes. Direct.
Okay, o dey.
Hello people of New Jersey.
To boss.
Na motre recording to na motre.
Kwame. Susu heham. Abrofo de. Dabi twa mu twa so ansa.
Kwame to half me.
Oh, ti. Opani. Me bamba. Mo am yes announcement. Kwame. Gigi dem. Na relax abrofo no one year campaign omo no ntiantiam dabi say na Kwame say na o he ham no say na Kwame he ham no
man slang bi ya kan no ma yi na
me he ham sa
adia me brofo pekwari de mo adia me brofo
susu he ham
o me de mo fi picture abegu so class aka ha
na uka
susu he ham Kwame
yeah campaign
hello okay people of New Jersey we are entreating you to all go out and vote massively
tomorrow
for Murphy because Phil Murphy because from what we have gathered Phil Murphy has the people of Ghana who are living in New Jersey are hard so go and vote for him massively Mr. Murphy look at me very well when you win I am taking your picture to the embassy. If I don't go get the visa, you are born my bone. Thank you.
I mean, as a campaign, there was a people of New Jersey, what's it?
Oh, Cassandra, who's a movie video?
I'm fun. Now, share. What do you want someone to down?
No, I think when
someone to say ah, one catch us from a but trauma.
Of course, I want to
try 5,000.
How much? So much
million.
How much you have someone to?
Ah, no, I do be 50 million.
One to a man.
Now, come on, 50 million on top of my side a day.
Ah, Kwame.
I don't need a mistake. But
who's himself to man? I was here.
Ah, what do you want to say 1 year?
But maybe I also by now can damp Paramia because also by now
the giver and the receiver.
Yes,
both
example man.
If I don't want funny thing, this is you can say it on authority. Not a single person.
Because some so one farmer now they vote against you.
So why should it be so?
It shouldn't be so. But so
competent and go being competence, yeah, before no. Ya kasa ye dibi mami ni bi. Mami nkabi no. Dibi mami ni bi so ka ho.
Nti wo koka o di so dibi.
O kasa nya nkwa na ni nyanza.
Na even obi create losing bonus. E wo kira o no twen say it's the second time I'm free. Yansan renominate you. I just say the mama de shortlist no.
Meticulous say be come 2000. Na do no teacher no so peno. Akoma 3000.
Losing bonus wo tua. Na dey na chese president kwa be body.
I just say e bomo de na use kasabni free politics.
Because da bay. Ade da since 92.
Ya ni pepe na okrom ase a omo wadwen ene opepa.
Ene pesca kan. Katen so pesca kan.
Uncle Penny way.
And mom venture.
That is why they still our money when they get there.
Kwame.
Yes, when they get the post.
Honorable Yabo. Obeni. You back to Honorable Yaba. Ya ban so the young papa.
Ya sinti. Mamu mwapampa. Obi ayi wa. Mr.
Oh, the video I was surprised. I am meeting madam my so to take care. We said that
last 4 years say ba ku bodia obi o.
I brekum ho ba wi.
Obodia papa. Omo jini sika so man to am no bo mu dia.
Ba ku so ko ne foolish man. Foolish man. Ba ku video no. On the second one, yes, you foolish man. Why do you tell us how to come up with you for? What from that's about the story about.
Okay, say yeah. We just can't say no into yeah.
When you can't look in your chassis here. I am better than Casau the name as I tell them on my
screening no more. Yana
Meditro. Kwaku, look in your chassis, Yamiadum. Now, much as to talk the free fear that on your chassis, say about much as nibi. Mimi Tiba crowds of folk, dear. Onyame ni enwa fofi ye ni nkuguo ye so ye ni bem ye ni nkunim ye so ye ni nkuguo na ye ni Legon cities ana ye de ya bebe esisi ye ni na ekontrol awie no na tese ye de abebe we lock horns na me de abatwi
na lock horns no na de
me de abatwi mu ya ye de abebe esisi ye ni abafo kan se
no lock horns
but we me see ye de abebe esisi ye ni lock horns
ese mo pemo yi tisa ni fi no za na bezo
chi na njeso de esisi ye ni
the translation pa
na opening ni fi na ye voice note abreni ya na
no go ma wahare
em se Murphy go for na ya ba
Kwaku ya de
obi ya campaign dia Murphy ana obi ya campaign dia Murphy
obi Murphy nyawo
we dey super chire friend say opambo no a run anu a say maybe di matema na
oje makama kamonyawe minim say mu di matema ka oba kese bi di matema me fa ho
Kwaku ya board draw but it's not a good start for Accra House of Folk because a team like Legon cities there and yet team
no mistake yeah
now so be as me as now defending champions are Wako Africa abba mo first match mo no makwa board draw
Kwame Nyabotre
na de ntem menya
City home odi2
menya botre de o committee ase sana league ba ko ye ase na enkoyi obi afo se Kwaku nya tena aka se o we de enkoyi mahas but at the end of the day no emra ya brim ye dua no ye be she obi
sabe no mo se coach de foforo bai
coach we so san ye be san no ka se be jam sa o hwie be san no I had to be fired.
Kwame na so nya obi ada ne odi moji no afi na ne sa no ntro ye ba no.
Yeah, mine. One you know what obeko.
Ntum be say bodu
me be say asante na nkran so nkran.
Asa nkran so nkran.
Eti no beni na dey.
Man,
em say odi no wa papa.
I the first match.
Komo bi wa na ipa na.
I the first match it means me emblem no enkasa be bless akra na I'm not helping the system. Eti we dey yesre no a on sasa niema mu na going forward no yentimi win bi. Asante do nya win. Massive win 3-1 and it's a very good start for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omaja said Dubai no mko no man kwa nkodi di kwa. Anko se Jalabia kwa. Omanko sua nema bibire no mo di aba. But coach no asate run the mouth Kotoko coach no o de chese run gusu a run de chese. Oh, I story na dem animo ha yi.
Am virtual bi ashara no na say dey okay no.
Story na dem no de chese ono wan atoto na nema yi na new players no the system na obo no or manage it to put them into the system into na airborne no
afi no ahia se mon kasa bebre
onya wotre into I know so Kotoko so asem no other matches so course but I think say these are the major ones I like to talk about.
Nitine say because 80
time Kotoko dey take
5 minutes when they say goes
yeah 80 minutes na near that for eka back no na ma drain dem be kan na 100 nti osesa me topic no man
yeah go German
yeah oh yes and can be cancel be na
but phone na airborne no the run your friend na say ampofo
nipa or friends your friend Ike no ye dwuma next lazy or ye dwuma fan you got Ike so Ike
e jo wiase
nanim tumza no
onye dwuma fan you got
wiase pa Ike mamento kawai 4 years na me tell mamento ka bi
oye dwuma yogurt na yogurt so nkwa no ye
enti over from yogurt me yogurt na me pepper enti na me say oye dwuma
company di o from Ghana so say
so man
matches wa
kaje sense wo tu awojua o mamente
Jeko
some coach we doctor da nyina
oh na ye me kan wonte ye PE teacher o
obesu
abani
bedro we doctor man
afede wa we Jeko fa
madu fifi de mpesa metin mate awi
na wotwe da ne de no madaroma
oh
empenifo se yedu amanfo so ane aka ya no se na wotwe pepepe mu ani na akra so folk chichiro men ko bo
use me oh so kan na wotwe na mu se no a
wen kogu ani mu se poto
ene na wotwe
eka makoma ene enra
se na wotwe di hu nkomo ha
ye posters ne nra nse na wotwe da bi ho no yetu kwa anim kakra ye dia be hye ne ye ka unza torenchem toa na no bubu
tentam kase pa na didi agbo
na me kan na me kase atorenchem kase to Ghana kansia ma coaches ni mpanifo a
titi omani so
atre mu a di bedru Ghana na opani anso hwa enra asoso no haso folk omo pa nya chances bia so mba na nam chen na me nunu madwen mu a kaka mania na mu se so on the babaka baba bua o mo di league no
baba me no
won kotua e
baba idi
so mo de babaka
baba nuru di ara baba be
baba idi na coach na wa yire no ho e be pam no wa yire no e be pam no mun kotua babaka baba no kire mun frawa ze de se ya so agi no mun kotua ne ka abani Kumasi Asante Kotoko in fact enano ifiada na league ni start here na Mina Sharks ne Accra Lions di ka boy na Accra Sports Stadium yam hye me kire se mimi park minim de nkrofo ye woso ti nkrofo de eka di kan tum se wom na mi tie comment mi akasa na ka me ko stadium na bibi be crosso me kakra ena mama ntimi anko
ko ko baba match dia onko hwe has match dia onko hwe
we be se ko na okay no ko na okay
ko dia na meka
o se na ko hwe
ai Saturday dia na meka on no Accra ya o na ka me ba park
se mo so mo home
Dabi ayi
no mo ambo home
o ma fi de wa ba
ya we ni e be share 3-1 no mo na mo tena home board draw okay ka mo mpe bra bi abo
ko wani ka
o fa ka za
etopani ya de ball ni hye so no se ball na ye ball ni ani Dreams FC nkwa na ebo
na one wan bi m na ebo Timba.
You need team
I go on it 2 teams.
Team more thing. No more tundro. No more tie will be at it. So we anyone say. And so Bapa Christine you mean.
And then you know. Only evidence. Only evidence.
Last week.
Me say only evidence bia.
Na evidence you don't evidence. They say tina say IGP idea we so for bofu a. E so mu dim kana bonten.
I say we shall come for evidence.
They say Nyankopon any okasa ada so be record voice na say we can say yame hear the voice note.
And as a man dey don't be back say no be dance or court.
And this are there. They say they are na no heading. Obeni.
Eh.
Ame more team na baso. And say Uto players na ubi or non tiasia na okasa. And for sure what players
the league has just begun. Even me at home. First match in here.
Obeni. And you now tiasia is not a good start for me. Also your first match here. And so now so
matches ahead of my ball.
Hey.
Banko pe 90 minutes.
Obi Canada man Canada also account there. O tie so say has there so who said one match pen wa bon so gina na is not a good start for us. I mean I didn't like it and
my team me do here.
Yeah. Yeah say na yi.
What did you do?
O friend say. Sama no na good e bi nya fe za o. O let now.
We have na true abasi zia o.
So say ade am yi dia o yi ani wo ne fere na nani so nsa mo ne dwe. O fo say kotoko. Enra and I said Saturday no dream self si share anka man yo ti hey ah you see wa finish bofo opumatu o say dia say na go beka kasi ya sise ska ko hye no
and say sa
ena ega oni nkore ko akotobo a ya se ebobi shop nsem na cruise so a chom so mutu oh dey no Fabio Gama so msesa na se be 3 echedu baby na America kro ntimi nko Brazil ni a wabre na o see uniform ya de nkoda yesu kono mai bibam eni ejai bono na efe na akono ba me nya satisfied
at the end bi na ade
me nya satisfied me minim say league
ya ni 3-1 awie no nya satisfied
obani league ya boy ya monyi o ya di shishe team league na ya bon ya fa ni say train ya di shishe team
ya di ebaje
masa league ni ebo umi a wan wi me ye de sa bia me se da me se na ye de mo afa trophy na ka mo pe what I talk
there was a what here because
mo fa se mu team bia what team there kwanya ko Dubai o mata jai
o kasa ense contest ball kra wan hunu mu
wen sa na enye league na de be show team
sa na ye no nti sɛ nyame yɛ adom asa wo win league na ɛyɛ bonus
meba ɛne ade na otu wo be ball league na o kwa ho ayɛ nko support o
yɛ sɛ sɛ ɛne yɛ
obani league no
sɛ ni na sɛ baba wa no pa o no sɛ baba wa no pa no
ɛna sɛ sɛ for American o kwa ho go support
o give us unti ya no o give us
okay ade league ye na ye wie league back yi ene yeso obi anko eni krom ye ni ye na onfa ma wa ko be do team we ya start league house we dey do baby do league na ye won na dey baby do team
sa na ye no
mo performance mo perform na no na mo perform mu ni team
o na kasa we ya o kasa ba mi nyama no kra
ye wo ho akonya anke bia start league we ga so o mo ntwane anyi semi but akonya sa ni honti ye bo no sa but me pese me kire o se hye na ye hye mpo no Jisa so nza ko party go no ma kwa empanu mu keke no empanu mu keke no obani empanu mu keke na e battery one what you say
na just say sai be ya minimum so midimi mu yi za ede mpo na su
egu
jira ni mpo ni
egu jira ni mpo na tikuma kodwo no
ebesu abiribra
unse man yi de omo de na abrewie
oh yes it was 3 years ago almost started building
ya de enso de ebunu so ti ase
all right
inti ya de na kakra ese coach no me ade ba ko a me feel say e wo so o ka kire wo mama eto mu trim ne say in as much as a team no mguso building we are in a competition maximum America one man can be intina also fansan. We are in a competition. And Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters. Any adaje. Any abotre. See a better na hon many anya bibi crowd here. So mo be team no cry na. O de yam building twa house folk. Me league ya egbe. Se sha house na ye could 14 fukra na enya me ya. O de ase. Ye sha house folk. Ye could 14 fukra enya me.
Last year I get a fabra the same questions as I'm kind on your winning league no. Some will be a tape in them. Higher not like
asama okay say wo so sa. Wona wo she kotokona se wani league ahombe.
Wo ju ye show now league na ope. Kotoko show na.
Kotoko show has.
Sa na tie.
Asama me kan ye. Say e beji league ye nchemo nsamo de.
Ano de authentic. Yes.
Anu ne de.
Question task de authentic yes authentic.
Isn't there was it taste?
Obani. What's the league table? Me am share na me share no. How so focus akoto 6.
Oh.
Almost at that number 6.
No more 1 point.
More 1 point. That number 6.
Yes, I start here league.
Did I say
Kwesi ada be. When do any eche soga kope?
Ya ko wafa.
Ba sa match ndi mutima wini mu.
Omo ko nkwala no ho.
Ya ko wafa.
Nkwala no coach na osho mo no na ya kofa no nti. Bia ise kwa gonra.
Ayi. So for August is matter can say me do e matter was why. But the other team says o se Jerry asemo a nana e kano eto asum if we say asante eto da bia na wasusu said de wode wakoma be show
yes homodi dey timpi ba
we mo yes mo fan World Cups and pa hwehwe e tu we mo yes o we de ye de team na mo de sa na mo wi amoni
football dey so ya football mo
na home abodro
ko no wasa kwaku
we football mo sama process na tie
league ni obi odi di akoma Ghana football association no be
onim say Barcelona say the same process na no rebuilding process na no mo and say kakra na say Barcelona no say team dey o here rebuilding na that here but so to me we trophy
5,000
oh example na me kire kwa me say nyame ya adom na say onya trophy ye bonus to be able to do the next season na for team na strong now competition
unim ayi hwesuo e ka hwesuo ni makwa gunu hwesuo
kwa me na me kra siniti 7 na be bizam hwesuo
ye yankwa hwese ye kwati hwesuo ye kwa hwese ye kofa na abani jako video na me de ma no saka
wa wi ama me so mentemento kwa ku enra out you ne Tamale United will be a share BBA back at the Olympics. Sorry, Olympics
today. No, it's a question. Have you eaten today?
I want to that question.
United.
Only Bobo, only Mashi, Sumi, only 6-1. Only Consum.
OfieKwanso near Irrigated Sports.
Only OfieKwanso. Only Irrigated. Oh, and Rami, my Wonder Club. 1 minute RTU Bowana. Now, oh, share ball, no said na. She say start times. My main mama about so much coming in pa.
Coverage, no hair.
Say no.
Oh yes, so my improve.
My mencha, Mr. Boafo, Achimota Tuta.
Oh, Chama Guda.
Opaniti.
And now, share ball, my boy, na. Oh, na FPA. Na, oh, share new teams no more about Premiership, no. Friday to Sunday, no. Omunya good scoreline, though. Bibiani Ghost Stars spin it to Accra Lions. Omunya 1 point. Omu board draw. Omune Elmina Sharks.
Okay.
Ne ya. And out you so ne Oli. Almost 1-1. Yeah, because Oli no wedding. Bibiani Ghost Stars no mutimi ewuni. Na omu no say impanifo percentage I am fan cost me say 20% or say 40%. No grofo no. First time about Premiership ntia say efufu o mo no nipa ekogu wonum wo hwa nipa ekogu stadium wonya sam ketwa o abro so ntia omnya careful e kom na de o match o ma anya careful ye betum
e ka de oni ntuma nko akada bi agura safa afu zo be nyana nka 25 na nanka
abro so
da bi yanka gina ho saa na omo bobo nipa ma
enra BBC ye
25% na
enra BBC Accra Sports Stadium abra na mo pese mo ye changes no
oh asma o de
mpani emra no omunsua no
yi na me wokukura ntu
for no changes no mo ne match officials
omunya abotre ho na se de GF chechire omo no mo nsan ko back no mo nkohwe mu bio
eyi na last we ready ye no
wa na be ready
wa me 5 changes no but 5 changes no untimi nyi na 1
2 3 4 5 yanya
na no na mpanimfo no omo mpacking kan to omo oh yes na mo kenkan se mo
bi na koso wo hwe ti
bi na koso obedi mesi enei obi a no wo eyi pre-match ese se pre-match
I was start yes address you no mo sha se
ho no mo ka che papa nsi dey no mo ma ne dada adi so eyi congress o mo ko ye wo yi
no mo chechire mo so ti munya abotre na munya ma nya fe wai munya abotre
na se de mo si aye no so de ojo e ha drink kakra che se ebia ti say why first change why second change no third change na obey no iti sabre no ultimate 3 players eba iti so onye wadwen so obe change obi a so a
abeshiego
but who say change scrum no we coach now we change now we be breeze and it me affect
it depends on score line
and time aka
team work on the bench nye omo atijina mu obo abre kra eche omo ti akire tini onya ade ne kokra na san agiegu vomoze obi kra san ba be san be di red card
when say has your keeper as in mo ayedu
na no eyi Morocco bai some ka so oya kese do
feedback am nya ene say
is also check Ghana players ni
on tena di so also tena di so
yes Ghana player bi no bosses ya oni has keeper ni so
ba oni abayi me Drogba de omu mudro ni
eyi Kofi Koji form ni ye
na keeper de wo ya kese sa de ase
obi ho e giant nyesa wa ya kese
ba ni mu odu ni mu edu anka hwesa wo hwe omo ne wa go am say second goal say Money was second goal first goal. They
all me what the guys number that blaster. They are seven. Okay.
We keep on the
DJ you never what.
They say so me who are state awakuni state. They say to say the echo de banana can start in league
there. Player to the state they forget mistake.
Kwame.
Afuna nya bet
bet bi ha nhwe ma amfa mo samfa nam krum ba se gu nipa ni ma se nipa ne Ghana player Black Stars material ti wo see who said the ho tie
me the togo number be ma ye pon wa
da bi so na ni free out me ne chat kra wo na be ka kire you say we team need to be chat na me ka say yam free ni nchira bochi na me nsa me si Ghana Tottenham Hotspur so mo coach o ma pam no o ma bo na nkoku mutu papa ite Wolves o bo na djuma wadre obi nim de kan no Espirito Santo ayeka is Antonio Conte so free Africa haya o of Africa here big team but wa ho de ne coach bia na akofa no fi lower team de ne ba and say we from middle na top teams are team performing obai so first say de na o chi city no abon pa
obi a wo didie say aya coach magic no a chain players there
oh yeah keep coaches be team changes ma
and magic no coach team person Sunday
yeah coach bi on one
of the team
yes and I'm making
oh papa
for example ya mo am coach Samobodu
so first one
on the best so no
Pochettino
wo kai se na mo pe coach kwa no bi am person obeko
na bia na o team be share lack so coach bi team
well
because the likes of Mourinho mun team come be flop me pam home
oh yeah
and basically the coach but
sometimes
it all plays a role.
It depends on
the coach bi players of
who say a team bi o a wo hwe players especially starting 11 no omudu obi agitum so omo ye good but ye betimi akofa coach for ba obetimi a bench be 4 of them won use obe use players bi mumu and obi but omo mumu so no obetimi de omo ayeden achieve papa
because all time Lampard kuta Chelsea is not Chelsea team 9 share cry but okoye na
but omo me amrafie kakra na o na o ka to ga asemi yese hasufo company for you emu ba ko bi
alaji akambia
na na hu za story no anye kotoko anko atama besia na kotoko foka de na ho
eti wo bo nya guso
former hasufo commercial affairs manager Charles Martin drags club to Ghana FA over breach of contract and unpaid entitlement
kwai won ko tia
kwakudia tia say some doors and lawyer na ekuche nkrata akese no dia kwakoma
na so kan no boko na mutua nka lawyer mem
ono kwa no tia say unsa kwa no ye okoye no mo sesa ni position no adwuma nkasa o apply no ba na ye dane no
We should try a professional job.
I know you one, and I failed to send us in the Senate and you try. For I think about 20.
I know they
according to the lawyer
from 2019. What you have done
in
serious offense.
Jesus won't got into
ana kwaku offense
kwa me eno dey serious offense
na no say ke bi out here boy irrigated OfieKwanso ya ni aside we dwan ara to dwa say ekwan down ase so kuma wonya ne kwa
James Kaze yeah problem about OfieKwanso
was eno kra
e wa bra won so wonyare nso
ya wo so ya sa tam no ni na mu say empema kwaku fo say
legitimate
team building there sa de ni nya wo mu
demands legitimate
asali as possible we dey nya court de akọ efi
na say hono so court hono
ye nyeri
that football
I want to kokano ba ya kan ball for say
dialogue
yeah dialogue
honey and dialogue
how the intimi
be efi be shema mo say mo ntua
I think say empanifo de be kasa na ska be wo mu bia empanifo
but snake ne de hu because kofi ai papa yɛ de ne kɔto mu agude mu ntua snake
agude we
agude ko dem
the story
20 15 2016
kan ya na man e feel say ya
una ma laptop be for master
mikita hwese mo ye bobo na mo defender obi akrash ni tiri ama ni tiri apai na oba kan ayi no mo pon na no collapse here kan third a paragraph kan free
the former Wafa player sustained
kan go microphone
the former Wafa player sustained a head injury in their game against Lagos City but quickly returned to action without any proper medical attention.
Gosh, Charlie.
And you bobo ni we no collapse here no more rushing in the hospital.
No cause one thing.
You know. Daddy Mohamed
Alhassan now okay.
On top defender no.
No but Wafa.
Bia pranam the blog atoso. Without any proper obi ani tiri ho pa na first aid be na the man. Bibia na mo the blog atoso. Bibia na mo the blog atoso.
Go to wo park so abanisa abuchire kwa screen mo so obi japa.
I know you different o come e send any 3 days kwa ka bi to say you
baby adna. Ye cardiac arrest ne obi ani tiri ho
different from obi ani tiri ho apai because
you throw in or your medical person na or trust story say journalist keke e bi ko po ehwe no what are you calling no proper
share it's true say e proper no o mo hwe no proper ka o ye man nsa mebo
kwale buklo ngrofo
nipa obobo a wasi ya kacha so tranche
Charlie we mo be kan ko si
who defines proper who defines the proper medication you go me what picture me ma fatu
mo players no mutia me gidi ezo man
oh ma tell you kan na
e to da bia mo to mboase
da bio answer na ma no dey na
bet was you treating fine but as I say asari okay na we collapse what are you talking about
after the match
nanka
na okoku collapse you
to play bia nyare da
kwa na dey kan no to akosi ba bi
you keep
Charlie this one it happened on the field of play. It was something that happened a day cat in the bag.
Etin am said that day e hono man say wa kan no.
I don't go to turn ma ho dia no. Story and no go one like.
O ye bi eni nyina na kan ya kan.
Na wo hoyi.
Ye ko ma mi video break here for sana video no ma nya. Video ni to ma me.
Time to ma me.
Kwaku abrantie minim say say you no just mo twa fence skate wo. There be the ties was no. What's the difference? There's a board no.
And no skateboard. Into skating na.
And the ties was.
And we the mpaboa
yo kwaku.
Ete mu de na okay.
Me ka de mpaboa.
Mpaboa se de no ro.
Na abrantie yi o ware obi a wa wedding awie. Na o yi wedding na be gina bonte say you could take pictures. Afa de ye hu yansa abrantie akotama na yire de kita. Ene sa de kita no ahwe.
There be ade ne say Kwame. Which means he belongs to
group of
skating club. It would share ne groomsmen no cry. Omu na shebi.
We pray about you
o dem tie
bank me twa wade inside that one.
Nyabotre. Ade na ko ye no de. Anka nyabotre. Me ma se video no hu. Ade na o ye nde. Anka ne kwan so ahụ. Ne mo mi tie. Mama no si tie. oba no say wedding gown say aya na ewa
enti
atade enya atade na kwhye wo de anka de na omo ye nde anka perfect na
akutu worry you do you be skate so de na kinji
me do I belong to a skate a club
I want na metu konso so FM ni
na say wedding na na be no say ma anya ne ha
what program me see
hwe ba ko try say nko pagya atade no ye no odi be me na chi no try ba ne say no na ko no pagya no ai wo de hwe
enkrofo mo ye omo wo e belong to that e man e be say no sometimes omo ye wedding omo timi
aware de nya de di
masa unko soldier for wedding da unko soldier for wedding da omo bo press up no oba awun ye ti do oba no be to police oh
what they hwe de odi
two things I don't want some
but
sad na o kanu eno anya de adi praba we ya ti na ti kwa na bo ho
masa bibia di praba wakoware oba fresh head what to achieve bo press up wano pa ye bibia
ti we di anu adi we dangerous
and make us if not the gown e cut choky one ni roller skater and beautiful they were just doing that thing
nice man beautiful
what I say
I'm walk
I'm a beautiful and
na no come point me display no on forget in kita so be bound na reforms are
that's the beauty of it
yeah no pretty kakra obe prapa
I gonna here kwano so we dey
o pani ade no kra no bisasa o mu free trees ice skate o mu dey apagya ade da
no so one thing
o dey apagya ade so
when dey na ma kese chen say
to bibisa
ago I told you no mo bufu
when dey na
this baby ba
kwame who say roller skate e bi mutimi ye omom use as skateboard omutimi dey throw ayi your friend say stairs na bu a say stairs
na ya omo nwa obi to ba
na bia ba na sen dodo na no obeye wedding say no na wabase
yeah
it's all this ya
no ko ba se side no ko ba se side
omo ase kra na sie na hwe osa sen kosu e be bo
munya sa o ko e wedding akọ ase side
Pentecost will press bill 90%.
Yes, anybody ba reception ase
any sata wa boase ani bone kunu hu so boase nya no no be se no
yes onya form wie dia ya no onya why Jimmy no be man
mama te for
asemo yes kwa kuna me kwa me wawie ka me man de mfoni mi no bi je ko fagu ma me emrantie mi no ba ko tikem ba ko so se kuma simo sakra mo minim wo mi no so mo hyebre ba ko senso die na ha wo no ba
ma yin frɛ me na minim de ntia ma me fa no to so na me
man nkasa me nti
asi
man ben
asi ode o san bi
na ba ko no akodi dwa ho mo ho no basket no mde ni ma no gumu no watoko kini se brodo se die ne kuta na basket ne se nsa ho nse so de begu basket no mu no na basket ne se ne ko no kuta de no na mo no mu
basket on the shop you know
atiafa so
ana ba ko so oti trotrom na se kan ya de do ikakraka pa hye na chi no de ntoma boso so frafom na eba wo na obefo ka no eno wa ko ba
check WhatsApp
hey
WhatsApp na da sa na ba so
WhatsApp
na
we cha do
kwa kuna ebi so on to ne ma mi o to ni
we worry ba wo so on to ne ma ni na wi na on to wi e kwa ba ko pe ni wa yi kwa wansa okita basket ne fatume
na o twa so be to ne ma ni na wi
so basket no wa to mo ho a o de ko fie anya de odi ne ma
na ne wa to kwa na de ko fie
ogo yi mo ba ya
fare mo le kuto de fagu
the pocket lawyer I'm trying to defend him
David wo de ba ko pekra no ato ase wa wo dia
ba se kan ru anu so ko yi de to fo mo abokan mo na ya den
asemo
se beti matwa no
ba abrofo pa mutimi ye ne ma
so
I match we match bear picture from which match
I think say no dia na last Saturday na
de koro
enti mu ye na ni amantimi anya hwi na ken na kura mo na omu na abo white bandage wo mo nsa wo e no mo san kura ken e no mo san de flowers da bi tietia mo de flowers by ade ato hwe wo hwe picture we a flowers ni hye mo aso e no mo san de bandage bi abo mo nsa Omu na dia bomb sa right. And no one say the cane. Omu na say kura cane. Na mo de kwhwe wan.
Lagos City. Players na kita omu.
No.
Na benko mu nkan.
Kura players no.
Abenko mu nkan.
Your friend on the send video picture you.
Omu tati abenko mba.
Anti house of folk.
No, adi bi wa mo ya. Jeko.
Fanu match na pa na mo ya sa dia ni
so. Fatu o matie for we na we dey. Me dey adna send o fatu o matie.
Ba kwa ya ka ga na se kan hye na chiru mum de no anodin because mate is cross sat hu. Ti we first cabra na se bufuo ba.
Brantan pa.
O twifiri na chia na se.
O de ginja mo.
Tra.
E kra de sa de kra we kra de so de otika he. Omo tonton bi o traffic mu. Aye na se de misuro no. O drive na do traffic na se kan pa ya sia no pa. Na ekura mu.
Fiesta Royal ko vibrator de o tumi se o moto mu. What you come no? Vibrator I no dey hoso.
There you akwa bi ade on here. Say na ma roll it down. We do ara obey down. You know massage o. And mayi mani. And na so red nit no na me pick phone na me phone so. Mayi mani o hwe ya. Me so dey afa me kwanchi so o brother ko du fie sa. Adne fa me kwadi grrr am say wey jai.
Body massage.
Your friend say Mensa, Isaac Mensa.
Yeah.
Bande.
Kwa o players.
And I
think I just say no mama.
Masa, you know.
Enti ken no so ekura
Debi. Ya 21st century on your own.
I'm telling you, sir.
Come en that we dey nya.
Enti for we dem mo amomra Facebook na mbehwe. Wo dey hwe players dem ayi. Mudu ya hyehye mo aso ho. Edu ya chichichire mo nsa. Esa ekura ken. Ede ya na mo gine party.
I believe say nye Photoshop. I believe say nye Photoshop. Pa say real pa dia kwa me.
Oh, this is real. What then?
Sir. Na mana dey.
Yeah, you best give me.
Minimum mo ko mo park ne so.
Debi. Dey we say do we want to win
football no.
We do ko do sawra, obedi sia say dey wa ko din sia no.
This is not the only thing we are coming to do. You better near try chance.
No, and I say GF more money o money. Debi. Ya body the park so say.
Obri. We ask the bibia we say means near there ho. Wo de mo de flyers na hye mo aso. Wo de nke no aya je atumo ye mo fa ne sa. Ana mo de sa de am de achichichire mo say handkerchief you say bandage you say de. Wo de nke no mo san say kura cane e de we achichichire mo sa. E de we surprise me when you come here. Surprise us with goals. Mumbo goals. Mumbo better football, entertaining football. Come on, we will go far.
We will do something new.
You
come here and we say team pay Ghana for Biasa House of Folk. As you pay no. Say be able to say team men work and work just Accra House of Folk. Because I know Obia can once.
Kwaku ne emsa brana ya brinti. Dr. Ebo Texan, a lecturer Department of Economics, University of Ghana, and a Dr. birthday. Dr. Ebo Texan. Happy birthday, come on, why? Nyamin sure no cause one
of the smart. The papa Eddie birthday.
Oh, okay.
And right.
Oba de near you,
but I think I have
Dr. Pounds, Oba de na Nigeria.
And I face
are you up 05? Are you up 05? And in Nigeria.
So when you know come but when your time now so be 1.4 seconds.
Okay, bomb.
We say any pay I boom di. Na won to mo kwandam. Omo mu nyinche aska wom.
Amen.
Cause unyina se uska ni hu akwa edi papa. Tinango pon so bibia.
Na Rose Edu, Ministry of Health. Also, and a birthday. To host, happy birthday in Common Rose Edu, Ministry of Health.
And I'm sure not on my Kelly Texas for Nache and the Ruby Ajiman.
What's your match, Ben?
Kelly Texas.
That's a while.
50th year birthday.
I saw my this year,
November 15th.
Hamburg, your friend, I do benefit. One also Crobian. Kasia pa na do see I get it on fanya no
me say monko monko abuja aseda na de ma your proud sponsors na ya to adwumedi ne nkai so Will Let Properties a special discount sale now we know a Christmas promotion it yen sas ni nyina ya tete so bronya be ye person otimi nya sase menwe nam ne nsane party akese abeni bronya hu kwa pasase bitu akire what I say chokoli airport city afi Asutwai junction ho nyina sase bebre ukura 4000 crowd bityo benya sase ato do wenya 6000 benya plot ato ayikuma 10000 benya plot ato Apollonia pram ho nyina ye won sase ho yeso de yenhye ne boko oba na sika ne mo ano kra o de kakra to ho a ebema payment plan not just what treat you they are in installments not just a bibia ko ye kama the amount ye free site visit ye kwachron asase no so a untua hwe oto asase ni bi nsuma wa obeto asase ni bia yen ka se tua sika san krata the amount da bi ye free documents so edit echi the more kama pa eti bomodin so obehwe echi akwan no aba na so abeji asase bi Yawo Ashaman Timber Market Roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road, Yeben Bank of Africa. Obe Friday 0244 756 984 and off 0243 740 485. Now on the well-let properties, Eddie and come on. Afe Airtel Tigo Misu Promo. Orokodo. Amafo dia Nedi Cash. Yes, all over Ghana. Etatemwa the Kopemaya at the end of December. It is raining cash everywhere, every hour, every day, every week, every month. Grand cash price no 100,000 Ghana cedis. That's all you need. Dial star 500 hash and then recharge 5 cedis or more. They use wear time now. You know what I'm saying? Airtel Tigo money is use to be for your transactions. Now build the points. Afe data no to be bundle no. They use to benya points. And in daily SMS trivia no so betimi don wash movie 30% respect now answer questions now we boost 2 points now. Yo. So we need BBA. Only one number penny they contact you. That's 0260-000-100. Any other number be out for say where we need BB or Airtel Tigo to go me super money. Scam money now. As they do a farmer Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Come on, pa. Come the answer my account there. For choose come on. Ubenya good fresh breath, whiter teeth, a preventive cavities, a more gown, and also very healthy and strong. Stains be a was subiano, Nina Beko. Yadia Chaco, ya Bidia, Yadia, come on. If he's Samara Company Limited, FDA, so I move you to say, a papa. Kel Charcoal toothpaste, happy smile. Mount San count their shops and stores and supermarkets. How don't you know? As they do from a Casa Precon Company Limited, and they walk off a Casa Precon wow promotion there about a more debruta. Yes, a free Saturday copy the end of November 2021. From what they have done, they bought 1,000 packs of combination of Puma drinks, fancy drinks, royal drinks, and a 10 over 10 drinks. Now you have more 100 packs of assorted products free, just like that. So just walk into any of our accredited key distributors across Ghana and our fake Casa Precon Depo Ahodono. Say and crying house printers and now Kumasi Tano so and now Pium Techiman and now Ho and now Tamale. Any me Ahodono can offer away or air channel. Better 1,000 packs of Puma drinks and fancy drinks, royal drinks, and our 10 over 10 drinks. What I say? Now when you're 100 packs of assorted products free, terms and conditions apply. It's your normal modern action society Eddie Amaye. BBN your friend any come on 050-162-074 on our face 050-156-2072. Casa Precon, a step beyond excellence. Yasida Edio Yedebema Gold TV. And they also so be connected on Gold TV. What me I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and I feel leagues I would be now. I cannot. Be connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis while bro using my Gold TV app. Now also they are calling their bend now with me out in the city. Gold TV, love it. Yeah, fast day this one Emma a imboost herbal mixture. AKA police leader Bruno. Pa. Oh yes. Come on. A dream more music system near den. What name up? Eba was sitting. Said the bay I rate him in Bobo Basa. Imboost herbal mixture. Yes, police near do no. Unya no more do any real system no abusia or call ni peduana kwa baby a. Ono a check baby a problem will be ano or be clear problems ni nyina free o. Am what me agina na so ye. Infections be a baby ano and one akele no kama. Titem bia na wo den onyare no akwayare sabia. Ano pay say my bobby heavy pa na me na mo za. When you check more Kings Walk about Ekus Pharmacy, Wedama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Tinatet, and our dependable about shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's, and our Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. The drop on the phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Elia me can be kakra o abre share jumedi na say ene nhwemu abeda di pefe say 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and then 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected with iron deficiency anemia where a condition be as one year and mofra it may affected their brain and physical development for the rest of their lives. A very worrying pa, but that situation where you bet me a year for you. Our bra yemre, the solution a very simple and one say you bet me a D in iron ewumu pa. Metre iron fortified foods. Eti kontomre abedru, liver, red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko alefu, afenso, groundnut, cowpeas, beans, and afe green leafy vegetables. No, yeah, you need more. So and iron fortified foods binum to say iron fortified milk and then iron fortified cube spices also bit me a good source pa. And remember to always check your product labels for information on iron and then other relevant nutrition information. Shop be now food product a very very necessary part. Say be now only peduans bit me absorb iron nutrients what we're doing here udidi na right there na I the fruit rich in vitamin C eguso let me oranges and now pineapples pawpaw near the mangoes the dibi and also boy ye pa yen kakra say ya na iron deficiency anemia it mean to us here in free asetremu na ebe boy ye pa. Cynthia Ifa Asante Ewaye Hamburg, Germany. Or say Bomodiana I wish Iowa 05 a glorious happy birthday, mommy. I just did. Nafi if you also near anymore. Janet and so Ewaye New York City or America. And also say wish Iowa 05 a happy birthday and more blessings. Okay. And also I just did. And Brown Chami, that's how I call him. I say, Jerry, please wish Dickness Akosia Nketia. That's Mrs. Nketia of Cornerstone Baptist Church, CBC, Domi Pilar 2. A happy birthday for me. She's been a good mother to me and my family. From my wife, Mina, and then my children and the members of the Cornerstone Church. We all wishing her a happy birthday. And now we also say happy birthday going out to Mr. Emmanuel Pari Minta, aka TJ. A shaman, a sensoba. May God bless you richly. And this one is coming in from your wife, Mrs. Blessing Irene Minta. See you of Rainey's Design, Malam, and the children. And a happy birthday going out to my love, Henrietta Utubia. Nothing changed or would ever change. Our bond keeps getting stronger every single day. Not because you are my love, but because you are my everything. I am forever going to make you. I'm forever going to make you mine, and then make you the most happiest woman on earth. From Richmond, Lamptey. Hey. Vibes of party. Lao. More wrong. Okay, so say happy birthday going out to you, Madame Regina Sefako of Riri Makeover GH. May your new age come along with new opportunities, God's abundant blessing, and adequate and a quadruple of all the good things you wish for yourself. This is coming in from your friend Madame Tina Ekuya Fafali of Fast Wholesale Clothing. Infantry anafi yenhwe the other side the oho na yemfa and also ento asugusu auti 106.3 Adom FM.
Senka betmati so bi biara anka wine na obey.
So we betumi akọ baby biara wo pe a wonya ankonam atenka kwantempon sai na wo betwa.
So wakade a ebeboa ma wo dan so no abamu a emre ben na obehyasie.
Se asobia betumi ate woni a why na obehye ne nkran.
So wo sike betumi to anamon tentem so edu akire chenya wankasa betumi a ehe na ode beko.
So we betumi aka atesem ewo kasa ahodo bia mu a emu ne ehe na wo beka.
Se bibiara ensi wo kwan na obiara tawechi na manse na de ni je twenwa.
Wo kwa mempo.
Wo ne yentu anamon yimbomu. Everywhere you go.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio.
Share. Because on corner new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shot. Say me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sanity Ninano, Menusu and Chimmy, and the Menuma Tunino, a giant way in an audio see me.
Bright Soldier. It's me general body pains. Nasam Waba. I know Bema Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina.
Hey, man.
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Hebas of Ubia Mukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules. And your drew that a shit. FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway. I just to say, yeah.
Hey, bro, coffee winnie. Now what can say? Hey, now no me buffer will soap him and Yama for Nadia Shemu must say, where do you know, Tana?
Okay, me hint some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans?
Yeah.
And to bet to me a woman, my Yabusia Buema Jumayimu.
Annie?
Miss Yesikawa way. What bet to me a woman?
Only how cry. Advance when the sounds of Abusia to name go shop mu, and now what to feed for, and now the Kuyu Yama Wakraba, and yet didn't cry. Would you want to advance? Aha! What ye? What woman kaye? One sack a deposit them different Momo account so I could go on mobile banking service in the moon. Into it, Sick as Yena. If your mobile phones are Biara.
Wow! Matia Samdapa, na coffee, men don't want advance for you.
Call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Duno Ewa Omaya Fanabe Bia. Fred toll free 0800 355 355. And now anyone in Kitahon or Abef with Fidient and Tankasianeso. www.advancedghana.com. Advanced Ghana. Yanewu Nini Boom. Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Some are born lucky, some are born happy, some are born rich, some are born cool, some are born confident. But Charlie, nobody was born like you. Just be yourself, do what you love to do, and you could win big in the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. Just text, browse, and score points to win cash, brand new mobile phones, airports, shopping vouchers, and more. Use the Pulse app or dial *567# to match up and get more promo points to win these amazing rewards. Terms and conditions apply. Go be yourself everywhere you go.
Semi sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na me sre a. E ya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. E ne twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. E ne de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy si mu tokro. E se ahye e ne enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media ma Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo. Ghana hadie tugu misonyum no ano bia de sao efrise Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitibu obia so Togo meso Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wodi be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa kosi December e wo tugu miso promo ne mo na chede abotin wanwanso ankasa esisiwo no 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na koswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bribia the wait be canning pump pimpima will be winning sikabe bru 1 million Ghana cedis no entibu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, ya Yarientimu. Say, dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yaruaka Siankaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Majiatu Museye.
Semi sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na me sre a. E ya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. E ne twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. E ne de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy si mu tokro. E se ahye e ne enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media ma Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
Charlie, if I get some 500 Ghana, hey, me VA.
See this guy, some profit and loss accounting balance, Anna.
I want to see if I have enough cash for my dream TCL TV.
Kwesi, what if I tell you that TCL is giving you an early Christmas present with an unbelievable discount of up to 30%?
My friend, stop the joke.
It is true, Kwesi. From 1st November to 31st December 2021, TCL gives you up to 30% on all TVs, air conditioners, washing machines, soundbars, routers, modems, and even phones. Hey, I feel a bro, meaning
I can afford to buy my dream TCL TV this early. Hey, bro, visit any TCL showroom for this offer. Please note that store.tclghana.com is the only online sales outlet for TCL Ghana. You can also call us on 0596 913 298 for more details. TCL, the creative life.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial *404# and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial *404# on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Follow the stars, there you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Everything was taken, still had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, somebody that protect my energy from your padora. Now my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get tower, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come out my jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle like
OfieKwanso with the
Anyway, come out, Prince Sugar. Okay. Oyegi. AKA the Dawn. That's right. Seth Akono says, I wish my wife a happy birthday. Her name is Veta Akono. Yo, shouts go out to you, Frank. I see you, yeah? Oh, yeah, guy. Yeah. Hey, Brakujo, that's the same. Brakujo cry on the car. What tried she say? Very few say Yamitias, you say, we like that. Brakujo. Oh, Charlie. Jerry, kindly wish my dear and only sister, Shelly Asiedu Amwako of Tema Community 5 a happy birthday. May this day bring lots of blessings from the Asiedu family of Tema and Latte as well. Odew, Yamisha Wate. Until Pai Bunina, no money number mouth. Ewo Yesu di. Amen. Come now, your love. And ram my light way. Come to 2 roundabouts no. Oh, branch I call for more to come to 5 no. I said I will show come so show baby. And then my good friend 21, all the way in Dallas, in the United States of America, said, "Me wish Dr. Pounds a happy birthday for him." I just did, bro. ODK, Odenke Bakope. Odenke se Otonchia pa. Achesi Musham. Ediamaye Kweku Srebo. Afe Cobs. Sansona Prince Kwansa. Switch Yamina. Moye Kukumpi. ODK uns me chow. Meton catch a minia. Shouts going out to Mens, Mr. Mens, Ubutu, Pediasa Lodge, that's the same. Once they say they're bomb, I don't know you. Okay, that's nice, man. But I know what Mr. Hayford Amanwai of the Lodge Tavern, Mr. Hayford, the Mount Shedding. A year do so about better with China, Bibia, and so Timmy Akoye. Why? Only a Bushani now, Mochiche More. I mean, come home, on bomb mobile. If I try said the na ye nim dadano, this is not a debia asemfofro. I shall say from the 1st of October. The woman say every SIM card bia Ghana Hano must be registered again, but this time with only the Ghana card. And he say uni Ghana card ni bidia. And then I saw contacted the nearest NIA office. Now what me your Ghana card say be me just now they are register or SIM card no. Now failure to register your SIM will mean that you won't be able to make voice calls. Won't mean you mobile money services, internet. Won't mean you any other services linked to your SIM card. What they are saying now to register your SIM card, dial *40 #4#. Now what follow prompt no. And take note that you'll be required to send the following details. I want a Ghana card no, so that's the Ghana card PIN number. And I feel or surname, and our first name or first names, not our date of birth, or the address, and our gender. What I say, we will receive a code, which be presented, and I'll be presented away the nearest mobile network agent and our customer care center. Now you take your biometric details, no at the account, not just say BBA I complete. Please do not forget or digital address before you visit your nearest agent and our customer care center. Now carry on time for me activity at the amount. Now for more information, send an SMS to 655 on Vodafone and now bet me contact the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110 622 or by visiting NCA on my social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I feel LinkedIn. And now say NCA on my website, that's www.nca.org.gh. We need further details. And Boy, it is brought to you by the kind courtesy of Vodafone. Vodafone, together we can, and that's what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this will take us to checkout time, baby. Yes, time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 from 106.3 Adom FM. Yami Adom, we are here tomorrow from 3 to 6 p.m. As that can say, come on, more money at 9 as lady on come here, producers no Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J. Cole, to come your body and answer for Geo Bria Boyfriend from as well. Your friend Jerry Justice, as I'm near Banco as always. Push your new and watch channel. I want to share is answer we are Nipa and Session. Thanks so much for your time.